Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're struggling with your idea pins not showing up on Pinterest in 2025, you're not alone. This issue can be super frustrating, especially if you're a creator trying to grow your audience or a business looking to drive traffic. But don't worry, I'm here to walk you through some simple, effective fixes that could get your pins back in the spotlight. Let's dive right in. First off, make sure your Pinterest account is in good standing. Pinterest has strict guidelines, so start by checking if your account has any violations. Log in, go to your profile settings, and review any notifications or warnings. If everything looks clear, move on to the next step. Next, optimize your idea pin content. Pinterest loves high-quality visuals, so ensure your pins use the recommended aspect ratio of 2:3 or 1:1. Use eye-catching images or videos that are at least 600 pixels wide, and don't forget to add engaging text overlays. Also, double-check that your pins aren't blurry or low-res. The algorithm might be skipping them. Keywords are your best friend on Pinterest. In the description and title of your idea pin, incorporate relevant, searchable keywords that people actually use. For example, if your pin is about DIY home decor, include terms like easy DIY projects or budget home ideas. This helps Pinterest's search engine index your content properly. Another common fix is to refresh your pins. Sometimes, a simple update can do the trick. Edit your idea pin by adding new elements, like a fresh caption or an additional board, then republish it. Also, try pinning it to multiple boards that align with your content to increase visibility. If these steps don't work, consider Pinterest's algorithm updates for 2025. They might be prioritizing certain types of content, so analyze your analytics to see what's performing well and adjust accordingly. Tools like Pinterest Analytics can show you which pins are getting traction. Lastly, patience is key. It can take up to 24 to 48 hours for changes to reflect, so give it some time. If you're still having issues, reach out to Pinterest support through their help center. There you have it. Easy ways to fix your idea pins not showing on Pinterest. Try these tips, and let me know in the comments if they worked for you or if you have more questions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.